Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 working on a Ford Expedition. Customer is complaining the vehicle does not start. Turn the key, nothing happens. The reason why, it says PATS ignition transponder is not received. In other words, the vehicle is not recognizing the key. Get another key. Call a mobile locksmith to cut the key and program the key at the exact same time. You could program a key all you want to, but if it's not cut, it does not going to do you any good to go inside that ignition unless you have a push button start. This is just a mechanic tip of vehicles not starting. If you have any kind of diagnostic machine, this one's the best one I've ever seen. I can email, I can text people the diagnosis that I see. I can go live data. I can do bi-directional controls. I can program fobs. I cannot cut keys, but I can program fobs. There's so much I could do with this. It goes right online when there's a code. I can click on the code and it gives me what that means and the possible causes. This will be in the description when the video does come out. Just having one of these are completely awesome. I can see the battery voltage. There's so much I can do. But anyway, the point of the story is if your vehicle does not recognize your key, look at your diagnostic codes. It will literally tell you, and then go ahead and call a mobile locksmith. He'll come, cut, and he will actually program the key unless it's just a fob and it's a push button. Either way, it is cheaper to do it that way. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.